Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn about withColumnsRenamed. We have already video on withColumnRenamed where you used to get rename one column at a time. Here we are doing withColumnsRenamed. So we are creating a dictionary and then for old names and new names, and then we are going to use this function to rename multiple column at the same time. So this function returns a new data frame by renaming multiple column at once. It was introduced in PySpark version 3.4.0. You pass a dictionary mapping old column names to the new column names. So here is my sample data, and you can see that we have this column for full name, country, and age, years. So that's what we have here, and then we can go ahead and print this data frame records to see how exactly it look like, and then from there we are gonna go ahead and rename some columns. So here's my data frame, original data frame, and it has full name, country, and age, years. So this is look age, years. Nobody said that in age, in years, and all that you can change. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a new data frame called the rename data frame and say df data frame, the actual one or original that we just created, with the columns rename. And here with this, after this function, we are going to provide a dictionary that would have the values. So here is old value, that's existing value, full name of the column, and new column name is the name. And then we have country, that will change to the nationality. We have age, years, that will change to the age. So you build that, and then once you run this one, a new data frame will be created, and the new column names will be this one. So all the corresponding columns, old and new, you can see right there. And then we are just using .show to see the results. So let's execute this one, and now we'll see both data frame. So this is our original data frame that has full name, country, and age, years, and this is our new data frame that in which we have renamed the column from original to the other one. So here is the full name is renamed to the name, country is renamed to the nationality, and age, years is renamed to the age column. So I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.